My name is Drew Neerman, and this is Data Unleashed, the video blog series dedicated to helping you get more out of your Salesforce investment. One of the things that I do every day is I talk with people about how to make their Salesforce sandboxes go to work for them more efficiently and effectively. And one of the most common problems that we hear about at Data Unleashed is the problem of it's so difficult to get targeted subsets of production data into lower developer environments that most organizations don't even do it. So they'll sometimes use some of the native functionality that Salesforce offers, but it still leaves something to be desired. They're looking for more surgical control over which subsets of related data, and they want to go all the way down to the deepest depths of their data model, hundreds and hundreds of layers deep with custom objects, while preserving all of the referential integrity of their data model. That's a very difficult thing to do. And so what most of them end up doing is they just don't do it. They'll purchase a full copy sandbox or two. They'll have 15 developers all developing and deploying and coding out of the same sandbox environment. And inevitably, the outcome is that they all stomp on each other, ruin the code, slow down a sprint. It's just because too many people are trying to do too many things in the same environment. So what if you could unleash the power of your sandboxes by getting high quality anonymized production data into those low cost developer sandboxes or partial copy or even scratch orgs in just a few minutes? With a self-hosted approach to Salesforce data management that involves replicating your entire Salesforce data model, data, your metadata, and your schema down to a relational database, and then having the ability to push targeted subsets of hierarchies of related data into the sandboxes, you can actually build configurations and automate or script this process so that every Monday or Wednesday, whatever, all 35 of your developer sandboxes get populated with the same gold test data set with any sensitive fields anonymized. It's basically a walk-in paradise for the developer where they get to have their private environment with exactly the subsets of data that they want. So if this is something that would be useful for you or your organization, or if you'd just like to pick my brain and ask a few questions, please drop me a note on LinkedIn. I'd be more than happy to tell you about how our customers are doing this today. Thank you so much for watching. This is Data Unleashed.